And this is a plant-based potato salad. It's awesome. It's yummy. Hi, welcome to the Berkeley Chef. Today I'm going to make vegan potato salad, the Berkeley salad. I would say this is one of our favorite meal, and it's very easy to do. It's very delicious. So here I have boiled up some potatoes, about 5 potatoes here. It's peeled and I cut it into cubes. And I have like frozen sweet peas, corn and carrots. So it's about half a cup each. And then I just dump it together. And I like to add, this one is pickles. So it's a 2 pickle. I chop it up into smaller tiny cube. So I add them up together. I just love the pickles. Just add a little bit tangy flavor. So we're gonna mix everything up. And we're gonna put some mustard, some vegan mayonnaise, and this is a Earth Balance, which is vegan, which have no eggs, no dairy or any kind of thing. But you can also make your own vegan mayonnaise, and I have been one of them. I make it. Took me a long time to master the mayonnaise, and I did it just with the chickpea brine. And if you want that recipe, you have to get it from my cookbook. It's really awesome. But if you don't have time, this is a good brand. That's what to go for it. But if you make your own, it's like absolutely delicious, and it's very creamy, very delicious. So here I'm gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. It's about we're gonna add about probably 3/4 cup to maybe a cup. So just about half a cup here. We can add a little bit of mayonnaise in here. Let me see. We're going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise in here. Okay, maybe half a teaspoon sea salt. And let's mix it up. It's coming together. It looks nice. Creamy, delicious. So now you can do a little bit of crack of black pepper. Couple of sweet you like. Let's see that. So creamy. The other things that I love is to add a little bit of dry thyme, or if you have the fresh one, it would be the best. But I just don't have it right now. But about maybe half a teaspoon. It's just like so good. If the fresh one is there, it's like absolutely good taste. Absolutely so good. But dry ones still make it good too. But the fresh one is always the best. Especially like anything that with fresh herbs is absolutely tastes more potent and more pungent. The smell just come out really, the flavor of the herbs really stand out really strong. But if you don't have anything but still worth the effort, the dry one still really tastes good. So now let's have a taste of it and see how does this creamy potato salad taste. See, this I have no eggs, no dairy or anything. It's absolutely let me try some. Yummy. Maybe a little bit more pepper, a little bit more. I just love black pepper, tell you that. The other things that I also love to add smoked paprika. There's a different variation that you can do as well, but it's just like absolutely good. So this is it. Until next time, subscribe to our channel. If you love our channel, make a comment and thumbs up and share it with your families and friends. And this is totally plant-based and it's without any dairy, eggs or anything. So this is much more healthier, you know, so you know what you put in it, because now plant-based lifestyle is going mainstream and there are a lot of benefit about eating a plant-based diet. So you don't have to starve without your regular potato salad, and this is a plant-based potato salad. It's awesome, it's yummy.